Your display emits blue light, the kind of light you see during the day which can keep you up at night. To help you get to sleep, turn on the night light and your display will show warmer colors at night that are easier on your eyes. Night light isn't available if your device uses certain drivers, display link or basic display. There are several ways to enable night light. Enable night light from Settings app. If you want to enable it with an automatic schedule, you can do it from Settings app. Click on Start and click on Settings. In the System tab, click on Display or right-click on the desktop and select Display Settings. In the Brightness and Color section, turn on Night Light. The display is switched to warmer colors that are gentle on the eye. To further tweak the night light and set up a schedule, click on the small arrow beside the switch. Change the strength of night light's yellowing effect with a slider. To turn off night light, click on Turn Off Now. You can also set night light to automatically enable and disable at sunrise or sunset, or schedule particular hours when night light automatically turns on or off. Turn on Schedule Night Light. Then either select sunset to sunrise or select set hours and enter custom times for the night light to turn on and off. Your changes are saved automatically. When you are done configuring night light, close settings and you are all set. Night light will turn on automatically based on your settings. Enable night light from Quick Settings. You can also toggle night light in Windows 11's Quick Settings menu. Open the Quick Settings menu by clicking on the sound or Wi-Fi icon in the lower right corner of your taskbar. When the Quick Settings menu opens, you might not see a night light button listed by default. In that case, you have to add it manually. Click on the pencil icon in the lower right corner of the menu. Next, click on Add, then choose Night Light in the menu that appears. Click on Done. You will see the night light button in the Quick Settings. To quickly turn on or turn off night light, just open the Quick Settings menu and click on Night Light button. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.